Why they are good for ACT Reads? They are the engine that empowers ACT Reads. They deliver the literacy sessions, guide the kids, and bring energy into the kids. They are the heart of the program, providing learners and local support. And the rest, I could summarize it that their presence can be a wonderful tool to this program because they will be part of the program, not just a volunteer or not just as volunteers, but they are family members to make the children feel that they are families, that they are having a wonderful cause, making this mission wonderful. And as these volunteers are giving their talents, their time, their resources, they are being valued and they are making a difference while the children are benefiting from their contribution. So they are really good for ACT reads. That's why these people, especially if more of them are youth, they bring energy, creativity, and peer influence. And number 5, unique characteristics and value to ACT reads. They are energetic and relatable. They're tech savvy and creative. They're community rooted. They are personal growth oriented. They are flexible and trainable. They are the bridge to schools and youth groups because they bring ACT reads to their classmates' barangay. So, in summary, their presence and really give energy. They have technical know-how, they have connection to community, they want to grow, they are flexible and easy to be trained, and they can be part of campaigning the social mobilizations because they are active in the community. Now, our tertiary target audience, community members, parents, and schools. Their demographics, location, national capital region, urban, poor, and low-income communities. Barangay in cities like Quezon City, Manila, Caloocan, Pasig, Pateros, etc. Gender, all genders. Age, parents, 25 to 50 years old. Teachers and schools, 25 to 60 years old. Public school teachers, barangay-based learning center staff. Education for parents, high school to some college education. Teachers, college graduates, licensed educators. Income level, low to lower middle income. Their interests and values. Parents want better education and brighter futures for their children. Teachers and schools seek support for struggling readers, especially those left behind post-pandemic. Communities value bayanihan, local action, and programs bring hope and practical help. Since we saw the need and parents, they want better education. Here is our social mobilization that will help the need of the parents and the children and the teachers who are seeking support for struggling readers. And also the communities that value bayanihan. Here is the social mobilization that we can do so we can help our next generation. Their behaviors, parents are willing to participate in learning sessions, especially if their children benefit directly. Of course, the parents' support is very important. So they can bring the children to the learning sessions and the children has the willingness to participate because their parents really give them the permission to be part of this program. The schools are open to partnerships that supplement teaching, especially if they align with the depth eds, catch up, and reading remediation goals. So of course, the part of the schools is very important, this social mobilization, because it is they are open to partnership so that it could supplement the teaching needs in their school, and it is aligned to the DepEd's program in catching up or helping the children to bridge the gap of their challenge in reading and comprehension. All are more engaged when the program is locally visible, has emotional stories, and celebrates community wins. Why they are good for ACT Reads? Their personal investment ensures the program is sustained and embraced. Parents spread word of mouth information, ensure learners show up and stay engaged. schools, provide a learning environment, and reinforce reading at home and in class. So they are good for ACT Reads. Of course, their their support will be there, especially parents and schools. They will help together so this social mobilization campaign or program will become effective and can really benefit our beneficiaries, especially the children. The unique characteristics and value of the ACT Reads, their authentic connection to the community, makes ACT Reads truly grassroots and sustainable. They bring local wisdom, understand the context, and help shape the program so it fits the real needs. And their engagement builds ownership. This is their program, not something donated or imposed. So of course, it's very nice that the people, the parents, the school, and the communities, they make them feel that this is not just given to them, but they are feeling or having this feeling that they owned it. So therefore, if you own it, you have to take care of it, let it grow, and invite more people to be part of this social mobilization. When parents, youth, and schools are united, ACT Reads becomes a community movement, not just a project. So because of their participation, more sectors will join also. In this, we are building a community, a future community that we will have leaders, good leaders, future leaders coming from our beneficiaries, especially the children. Potential donors, individual, local businesses, corporations, and foundations. Local government units, international donors, religious organizations, and we see in summarize this summarized statement. The primary audience, the corporate social responsibility and philanthropists, brings resources, reach, and structure. The secondary audience, the volunteers, brings heart. The tertiary audience, the community members, brings energy and local support. Together, they create a powerful partnership that ensures ACT Reads is not only effective, but also embedded and sustained in the communities that need it the most. So, in primary audience, we have the funder. The secondary audience, we have the volunteers to work and help our beneficiaries, the children. The tertiary audience, our community members that will help together so that this social mobilization will come to realize and we can reach our goals and have an excellent impact to the society. Thank you.